So let me show you how to download the entire folder for your About Me poster. Whether you're in the graphic design class 1, 2, or you're in the photography, the steps will be the same. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this About Me poster link. And I've given you some example posters and stuff, and then what each one of these little symbols means. And I'll go over more of this in class. I've got a video here to explain it. But this folder right here, this is the download folder. You're going to click on this folder. What this is going to do is going to take you to the Google Drive. I don't want you to just download these individually. Come up here to where it says About Me. Go ahead and click on this little drop-down arrow, and then go ahead and click on Download. What this is going to do is this is going to create a downloaded zipped, or you'll hear me refer to it as a compressed file. What it's doing is it's crushing all of these files together. And depending on which browser you're using, I'm using Chrome. In Safari, I think the symbol is up here, but it should be going into your downloads folder. Now, what you're going to do is go ahead and, if you want to, you can double click here, or you can go to your downloads folder, which is right here, to find the file. Now, when I double clicked on it, it opened this entire thing. I don't want to grab these individual files. What I want to do instead is I want to open up the Creative Cloud files. So let me close this just so it looks closer to what you'll see. So when you have your Finder window open that shows you where your downloads are, I'm going to go ahead and right-click on this Create. Actually, no, you know what? Let me do it a different way. I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to right-click on the About Me folder, and I am going to copy. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Creative Cloud Files folder, and I'm going to choose, for yours, it won't have as many folders in here. I have a lot. I've set all my classes to have class examples so that when I show you, you'll know where to go. So depending on if you're in the Graphic Design 1 class or you're in the Photo class, whichever class you're in, go ahead and double-click to open. And then over here, you can paste the item directly into it. So when you actually select it, sorry, not double-clicking, I'm still getting used to the Macs. We just got these last year, so I'm so used to teaching with the PCs. But once you highlight it, you can right-click and paste. Now that is where the file is going to be. Do not remove these images. These images here are the symbols that you'll need. And then when you actually just double-click on this, this will open up the file in InDesign. And then the next thing that you'll want to do is watch the first video. This will explain how to start it. This talks about how to download images, and you're going to save all of your images into this About Me folder. It's very important that you make sure anything that you are using on your poster is in this folder. So make sure you end up downloading them and dragging them into this folder. And then the rest of the videos will explain stuff. I will do a demo on this during class, but I wanted to make sure that you knew how to download the folder properly.